up, y'all? It's your girl Tiara, aka Heavenly Era, and I am back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you all how I apply my individual cluster lashes. We cannot get to our mink girls right now, so this is my go-to when I cannot make an appointment like I can right now. I'll normally have a different brand, but I ordered these from Ulta and they didn't have the ones that I normally have. So I'm going to be using these Ardell Wispy Cluster lashes. These are short and medium. I didn't realize they were going to be this short. I normally have the medium to long length, but we're going to make this work right now. I like them to look as natural as possible. Like, you know, I'm wearing lashes, but they don't look like so dramatic because I don't really like dramatic lashes. My left eye is complete, but my right is not. This is what I'm going to be doing on camera. So to get started, of course, you need your lashes here. So I use 7. I use 6 of the medium and 1 of the short. To apply the lashes, we're going to be using a tweezer. I don't really use a specific type of tweezer. I just get a regular tweezer. I don't use hair glue. They have one that looks like hair glue, but it's called eyelash glue. Honestly, I don't know the difference. You can use as much as you need, but I don't apply a lot of glue to my lashes because I just don't want them to be ruined. So sometimes if you like me, you might lose them in your sleep. If you don't, well, not lose them in your sleep. Well, yeah, lose them in your sleep. Because when you wake up, because when I wake up, sometimes my lashes be off and they be on my pillow or something. But I don't want all that glue on my eyelashes. So yeah, anyway, eyelash glue and then some mascara. And I'll be using the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Oh my gosh, this is not focusing, sorry. So this is the tray. So how I actually get the lashes off the tray, I turn the tray upside down because it's easier to apply if you grab it this way. So I'll grab the lash from top here. Make sure you put the tweezer all the way down, because if with the clusters, if you remove it too fast or whatnot, you might pull one of the clusters off. So when you hold it, it'll look like this when you hold it. That way, when you put it on your eye, all you have to do is turn your hand inward like this and it'll be easier to apply. I really hope that just made sense. Now, the other thing to make them as natural looking as possible, do not apply the lashes on top of your eyelash. See, because you can't even tell right now that they are falsies because I put them below my real lashes. I just get the bottle of the glue. I just dab and make sure that the glue is all over the lash. And when I start, I like to start in the middle. So you literally lifting up the lash and putting it where your hair starts. Once you really get the swing of it, it's not going to take y'all long at all. This literally takes me less than 10 minutes, honestly. I get the mascara and I go side to side. And yeah, so that makes it pop out more. And I'm the type of person who likes to wear mascara at the bottom too. So I'll do the same thing. Thank you all so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and you know, and all that jazz. And I'll see you all in my next video.